So hello, good morning everyone. Today let's discuss about the class that is history of pharmacy in India. So history of pharmacy in India is nothing but how the pharmacy has been evolved in India and who are those scientists who have been contributed for this pharmacy in India. Let's discuss about this history of pharmacy in India in today's class. So in 19th century, so before 19th century, the sources of drugs are mainly from three sources. They are vegetables, animals and minerals. The sources of drugs. The drugs has been taken out from vegetable source, animal source, mineral source and plant source. And how they have taken these sources by based on the books which were compiled in 6th century BC. Those books are written by the famous traditional scientists like Sushruta, Charaka and Shrengdar. So this Sushruta, Charaka and Shrengdar have compiled three books. The books names are Sushruta Samhita, Charaka Samhita, Shrengdar Samhita. These are the three books which were written by Sushruta, Charaka and Shrengdar by based on the medicinal values of the drugs which are naturally available. These used to manufacture the drugs from the nature, from vegetables, from animals, from minerals and from plants. Wherever they are available, they used to manufacture the drugs from the nature. So by manufacturing them from the nature, they have written three books. They are called as Sushruta Samhita, Charaka Samhita and Shrengdar Samhita. So by following these books, many Indian traditional families, they have the traditional values of the drugs. They know the traditional values of the drugs by following these books and they use it to manufacture these drugs. And the history of these drugs has been kept as a secret in their family only. Only those families are used to manufacture the drugs. So this is happened before 19th century. So after that, after some time what happened, Britishers came into India and they have started ruling in India. So by the close of 19th century, Britishers have brought allopathic system of medicine into India. They have brought the new system of medicine, that is nothing but allopathic system of medicine into India. So now whatever we are following here, the one which is following now, that is called as allopathic medicine. Now whatever we are studying in this pharmacy course, that is allopathic medicine. This allopathic medicine was brought to India by the Britishers during British rule. So during the course of 19th century, allopathic system became popular in India and it has been continuing from then onwards. So during that time there was World War I happened. World War I. So after World War I, what happened is the government doesn't put any restrictions for the import of drugs. There were no restrictions for the import of drugs. Because of that, the rulers of India, what they have done is they have imported the unsuitable drugs and adulterated drugs and the drugs without quality. Because of those types of drugs, the government have seen it and the government have seen the demerits of those drugs and they have implemented many laws. Those laws will also come under the history of pharmacy in India. So this is about history of pharmacy in India. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.